What's the meaning of blush? Blush. Blush.
Blush. Blush. Blush is a physiological response that occurs when the body releases adrenaline, causing the blood vessels in the face to widen and more blood to flow to the cheeks. This results in a reddening of the skin that is associated with feelings of embarrassment, shame, or shyness. Blushing is a universal phenomenon found in humans across cultures, and it serves as a nonverbal cue that signals emotions and social status. While blushing is often seen as a sign of vulnerability, some people deliberately induce it to appear more attractive or approachable. Overall, blushing is a complex and fascinating topic that has been studied by psychologists, physiologists, and anthropologists alike.